Assalamu alaikum everyone. Greeting of peace to all of you brothers and sisters. So first things first, I just want to greet you guys a Ramadan Mubarak wherever you are in the part of this world. So yes guys, today actually we're going to have a food tasting because this is gonna be the first time that I'm going to have a taste about a snacks coming from China. So there is actually a Chinese cold store here nearby our house. So if you go there, you'll find a lot of Chinese items. There is halal section, which I have found this item. So yes guys, I came up to the idea of having this, and we're going to rate this after. All right, so without further ado, let's start it. Here you go. Actually, when I went there in Chinese cold store or shop, I found this so intriguing guys. Nabaliktad ko pa siya. It's a taro article Leisure Delicious. It is halal. It's in halal section. That's why I grab it. Though I couldn't, understand what is written here, but it's in halal section. So yes, it's made of taro. Actually, taro guys, in if you do not know, in Tagalog or in our language as a Filipino, it's gabi. Gabi. It's basically a root crop, as what you are seeing here in the photo. Yes, and I don't know how they made on this way guys. I don't know how they made it hard. I can feel that it's hard, so it's like usually chips probably. And there is one thing more, which I really don't understand what it's written because it's written on Chinese, though I have a translator on my phone, but I'm just lazy. So I can see that it's steamed snowflake cake. What is snowflake cake? I don't know. I don't really have an idea. So yes guys, let's open it now. And I also made this very sticky matcha almond tea. It's like a milk, hot milk tea. Yeah. So bubuksan natin siya guys. It's very intriguing because I love how it looks like, and also the packaging guys. As you can see, it's so friendly and girly. Sa mga mahilig sa purple dyan. Yan. Gagawin natin yung manualize. Alright. So on the photo, as you can see, this is how it look like. But inside, guys, magugulat kayo. You'll be shocked. Kasi, here you go. This is how it look like. Ayan. Yeah, it is a taro actually. I bought it around 500 fils. So in Philippine peso, if you if you calculate it, it's around, let us say 70 pesos or 75 pesos. Ginayat-gayat na gabi or sliced taro. It's like baked, yung parang ano siya guys, they made it dry first to make it crispy, and then they baked it. It doesn't have oil at all. It's not oily. Sarap. I don't know why it's a little bit sweet. Sarap. Pumuputok yung crunchiness niya, guys. It's so crunchy. Pero parang ano siya, may tendency siyang kumunat kapag ka ano, you let it open. Look at that. Why there's like this? It's so scary because I usually see this in the shoes. Desiccant. It's nice. So I just finished this, guys. Medyo marami siya. And this is the next one. Ayan. Look at that. This looks ube. It smells like, you know the baby milk? Baby's milk? It's not a Bear brand. Nestogen. Smells Nestogen milk. Bismillah. Hindi ko siya feel, guys. I feel like I'm eating Nestogen milk. I don't know what is this. Look at that. I am confused if it's a cake or bread. I'm really confused. Kainin na lang natin. But I love the style, huh? It's not so sweet. But the thing, I'm really confused if it's a bread, cookies, or sweet. I don't know. See, it's not easy to dissolve, guys. It's very solid. Napaka-solid niya. Para kang kumakain ng ano. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like I'm having styrofoam. Ganun yung pakiramdam. Parang kang kumakain niya styrofoam. It's a strange, but even the taste also. Kakaiba siya, guys. I think it's made of flour and at the same time combination of milk because it's very milky. Yung taste niya, it's very milky. Yung baby milk na Nestogen, parehong-pareho. They are very identical in taste. So here you go, guys. We just done having this Chinese snacks, whatever it is. I think it's a snack. And the one who stands out is this. It's so nice. The strips is very pure and crispy. It's so crispy and little bit sweet. Natural sweet, I think, from this taro. And nabusog ako, guys. I got full. Yeah, I'm so full right now. I don't know, it's so heavy in the stomach, but at the same time, it's so tasty. And this packet is very small if you see it in, you know, actual. But if you open it, guys, there's a lot, you know, a lot inside. So yes, it's very good for sharing actually, but I'm just so greedy. Napakatakaw ko lang, kaya ayun. Mahirap mag-share, wala din akong kasama dito. So the second one is this steamed snowflake cake. To be honest, I did not like it because as an adult, if you're an adult, you will not like it. I guess this is more suitable with the kids because kids usually they have a baby taste, you know, like maybe like 10 years old or 11 years old, they'll like it. But for us an adult, I don't think so we will like it because at first thing, the taste of it is very identical with the baby's milk, you know, powder milk. I told you guys before, it's very identical to the taste of Nestogen milk. Yeah, yung milk ng kapatid ko nung maliit pa siya. And yes, it's very solid. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't melt quickly to our tea. Yeah, to our milk tea. So I don't like it at all. I'm so sorry. But anyway, the sugar level is friendly, quite friendly. It's not very sweet, guys. It's just normal. And yun nga, it's just happened like it's not my type because it's like more on baby's taste, you know. Maybe baby, they will like it really. And yes, that's all, guys. And yes, I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Noor channel, and press the notification bell down below so you get notified whenever I am uploading a new video, guys. So till next time, bili na kayo nito, guys. Yan. It's just available in Chinese cold store in Jufair area. Okay? So it's located in New Jufair. Kaya hakot na kayo. Ang sarap niya, guys. So that's all. Masalama! Bye!